Last week my water heater went down, and it was a flammable vapor sensor lockout on a Rheem water heater that looks like this. And I watched a bunch of videos on YouTube, could not figure out how to fix it until I finally got a hold of support. I'm going to share the tips with you here. Right now it's working properly, and you can see the status light just blinks every so often with a little blue light. But when you have an error, you have a table right here that tells you what the problem is. The issue mine was throwing was 7 blinking lights, and that tells you flammable vapor sensor lockout. So before you go out and get one of these flammable vapor sensors, which are available at like Home Depot, Lowe's, and most parts stores, make sure that you can't just reset the system. This is the thing I had a hard time finding on YouTube and online. What you want to make sure to do first is go ahead and shut this to off and put this to the lowest setting you possibly can, aka the vacation setting. Leave the gas on and make sure to unplug from the wall. Let it reset for about 1 to 2 minutes, unplugged from the wall. Then in reverse order, plug that in. Make sure this is on. This stays at low. Turn this switch back to on, and then move this temperature position switch up to 7 times from low to very hot. That's the part that I was missing that other videos were missing. You simply move it from low to very hot several times. In my case, it reset after about 4 iterations. It just reset the unit. And then if you do actually need to replace this sensor, they are available for about 20 to 30 bucks depending on where you buy them at. They come attached with this supply cord, power supply, that plugs in at the bottom of the thermostat unit right here. And then you just pop it into this housing right down in here. I'll do that without filming, but it just goes right into this hole. Then you put your cover back on, put it all back together, and do of course keep in mind that once your water heater is working, all the stuff at the bottom is really hot, so try not to burn yourself.